Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to clean up junk files using Google Files. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first you have to make sure that you have installed Files by Google. After that, open the application after installation. So this is the Google Files right here. Now you have to tap on these three lines at the top left corner and then tap on this clean. You should see the junk files feature right here. And in order for you to simply clean up junk files, you just have to click this one and then tap on the clear option here. So you will see smart suggestions to delete junk files, or you can also remove duplicate files, clear large files, and clip up unused apps right here. So tap on junk files or clear cache, review the items if needed, and then don't worry if you want to restore this, you can go to trash and then restore these files again. But basically, this is how you easily clean up or just go to Google Files and then clean up junk files here using the Google Files application. And by the way, using Google Files can save battery, frees up space, save the use, and fast clean up. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.